Hey you guys, I am laying down on, stop, don't throw things at me, but I'm laying down in the bed, I'm tired, I almost forgot to make this video completely because, my god, he's getting annoying, mainly because, I don't know, I just forgot, and I didn't forget clearly because I'm making a video right now, on my bed, in the dark, sort of, there's a little light, and Barry's playing with the lights, but I'm tired, I've been watching Once Upon a Time all the time. I'm on season 3 now. Episode 1, season 3. I love this show. It is really awesome. And before, I had only watched like an episode here and there. And I never really saw it from the beginning. But I've watched season 1 and 2. It's just such a great show. Sorry, I'm so tired. But have you seen it? It's awesome. Jesus Christ, I'm tired. I don't know what else to talk about, so I'm gonna go. Bye. What?
Meat sandwiches.